Hello everyone, welcome to Bukhara, Uzbekistan. Today we're exploring the Bukhara State Medical Institute, a top destination for medical education and healthcare. Located in the historic city of Bukhara, this esteemed institute combines excellent medical training and healthcare. At Bukhara State Medical Institute, you'll find modern facilities and expert faculty dedicating to shape the next generations of healthcare professions. And you know the best part? It is recognized by the WHO and NMC. What about fees? Yes, for international students, the fees is quite affordable, ranging from 25 to 26 lakhs overall, making it a great value compared to other many countries. So if you're looking for a unique and affordable place to study, consider Bukhara State Medical Institute. For more details, check our website www.searchmycolleges.com. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section below. We will reach out to you. Thank you.